In this video, we are going to talk about example number 2 in this set of examples, and we are going to factor this trinomial. And again, if we remember, in order to factor the trinomials, we need to start by writing our format, which will be two parentheses. And we, in this case, we have, because our variable is n, we write two n's at the beginning of the parentheses. And then the next step will be to find the multiples of our c value. Our c value is the last number in the trinomial, the constant. So we need to find the multiples of 8. So we create a mini table and we start with number 1. 1 times what gives me 8, and that will be 1 times 8. 2 times what will give me an 8. 2 times 4. How about a 3? No, we don't have a multiple. 3 times something will not give me an 8. And then 4 and 2 repeat themselves, so we don't have to do that one. So we stop right there. So the next question we have to ask ourselves is, which of those pairs will give me, which of these two would give me a total of a 9, which is my b value. So which one will give me a 9? So, and the only one that would work would be 1 and 8. If we add 1 and 8, I will get a 1. So I'm going to put a number 1 here. Let me just get a different color. I'm going to put a number 1 here, and I'm going to put an 8 here. Now, the thing that you have to be very careful here is that you don't want a positive 9, you want a negative 9. And because we want a negative 9, we are going to need both of our numbers to be negative. And then to finalize this, just to make sure you're doing it correctly, you ask yourself, if I multiply negative 1 times negative 8, I do get a positive 8, because negative times a negative is a positive. And then if I combine negative 1 minus 8, I get a negative 9. Therefore, my factoring is correct. And these are my factors.